Yeah, what's up, guys? It's Joseph Take once again. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to link your app with your Admob account. Immediately your app is live from Google Play Store. So the next thing for you to do once your app is live from Play Store is to link your app with your Admob account, which is 100% so easy and it's very important because if you do not link your app with your Admob account, number one is that it might lead to ads unit. It might lead to ads limit immediately. Once your app is live on Play Store and you not link your app with your Admob account, it might lead to ads limit. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to link your app with your Admob account. So let's watch the video to the end. And if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button for more video like this. So the first thing to do now is to log into your Admob account. Alright, this is one of my Admob accounts and this is a fully verified Admob account. This is one of my Admob accounts. My ID is verified, my identity is verified. You can see this is just my new Admob account. Let me just show you that. You can see the identity is verified and the address is verified. Number one thing is that for your identity and your address to be verified, you need to earn over $10. You will now verify your account again. Not approved. This is verification. If you do not do this, you can't earn. You can't cash out on Google Admob. If you do not do this, you can't cash out from Google Admob. So before you cash out from Google Admob, you need to do this first. You need to verify your Admob accounts before you cash out from Google Admob. So now this is my account right now. So go to under apps, and this is the app that I want to link with my Admob account. So you can click on it here. You can see what is showing here. It's showing require reviews. So what we want this thing to show now is to show ready to publish, or something like ready to show ads. You will receive an email that your app is ready to show ads. You get me? So now click on the navigating button here. Click on the navigating button here. Once you click on it, go to app setting. So under app setting, you can see app store details here. So under this app store details, you come to this side. You can see something like add at the front of app store details. You see something like add here. Of course you can see it. So click on it. So once you click on it, you ask to put your app link, or you search your app name. So let me just copy my app link, and So this is my app link. This is the app on Google Play Store. So this is app on Google Play Store. This Ask AI. This is a ChatGPT app. You can see the screenshot of the app. So if you need mobile application, you can also order, and you can message me from WhatsApp so that I can develop a standard mobile application for you. So put your app link, copy your app link and paste it here. Once you paste your app link here, click on search. So if you are using your phone to do this, you have to bend your phone. As if you want to see movie. You have to bend your phone. For people using their phone, you have to bend your phone. like this, in order for you to see something like add, Google Play Store add. If you not bend your phone, you will not see it. So you have to bend your phone in order for you to see this. So I click on add, can return your phone. So you can now click on continue. But if you're using laptop, you will see the add features immediately. So click on continue and click on save. So you can see now your successfully updated Joseph Tech ChatGTP on review. So it is on review now. So click on done. Once you click on done, it will be showing getting ready. So within an hour, the app will be linked automatically. You get me? Within an hour, it will be linked automatically, and you are good to go. So you will see that here now it will be showing getting ready. You can see it's showing getting ready. So the app will soon be linked to the account. So you are good to go. So if you like this video, please kindly share with your friends, like, and also uh, subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Bye.